if somebody has, let's say, a hospitality business, they want to understand how they can kind of plan keeping that in mind, especially because delivery is now such a large part of what I think we'll have for the future.
Yeah.
What should they kind of keep in mind?
No, I think firstly, firstly acknowledge that it's not going to be the same as dining in as a restaurateur, right? So firstly recognize that it's, if your primary focus is about ensuring a great experience for the diner, whether they're in your restaurant or at home, then if you put yourself in their shoes, it pretty much answers a lot of the questions. The problem starts happening when you are running after the bucks, right? When you're saying, okay, I need to be hitting like this target, and so take whatever delivery orders you can, whichever part of Bombay it's coming from, and just do it, because that's it's. And I'll give you an example of what I mean. We during lockdown started delivering to Alibag because I'd moved there and I realized that there was nothing there, and it was very easy to get to. It was an hour on a boat, and and our product traveled enough to, some of our products traveled enough to, be fine when delivered across the bay. So we started doing this, and everyone said, oh, but why are you not delivering the table? And we were like, because it doesn't travel well that distance, And I had like literally, I mean, now not so much because everyone's got the message, but in the beginning I had so many people, they were like, it's fine, we'll just take it, don't worry about that. Yeah, don't worry, I'm okay with however it comes. And I'm like, I'm not, and I think that that's where you really have to exercise some restraint on not compromising something that you've built goodwill with, just because you're in the dire straits and you need every penny coming through the door. So I think that is really critical, that if you stay true to what you stand for, then people really respect that.
So if you enjoyed that clip, check out the entire episode on the IVM Podcast app, website, or wherever you get your podcast from.